Alright, so apparently someone is coming to buy Black Hole. And apparently last night someone decided to put Lord of the Rings in the middle of the aisle and blocking Black Hole from escaping. So, can the Black Hole escape? Well, Sean and I are about to find out, so wish us luck. Okay, Black Hole is ready to go to its new home. Just thought we'd fire up one more game before it goes bye-bye. Because, Sean, you haven't played this at my place ever, right?
Nope.
I didn't think so. COVID times are very COVID-y. But you have played this somewhere.
Yep, in TCPL League.
TCPL League?
Yep.
Oh, who had that?
Remember? I honestly don't remember the gentleman's name.
Yeah.
My first year ever going, I think it was my first or second night.
Okay. Well, we're going to take Black Hole onto the front porch. First, we're going to take it apart. And then we're going to bring it upstairs. Then we're going to put it back together again. Probably on the porch. So, that'll be fun. Yay, moving pinball machines and hockey machines. Bye-bye, ball. Oh, there, final touch. The apron cards. Thanks, Henry. Boom, shut up.
Yeah, they're great.
right, let's do this. All right, it's all back together again. Do you want to have the honors, Johnny boy?
Oh, plug it in.
We'll plug it in. Black hole's first move. Let's see if it's happy with everything. All right, here we go. Well, disc is spinning. Sean keeps getting shocked every time. All the displays. The track mode. All right, fire up a game. Let's see. So far, so good. Uh-oh. Oh no, all the balls were just getting settled in the trough because we just threw the balls in. Okay, so what you got to do? Try and get the ball into the black hole so we can test that coil, make sure it's still happy. And then you got to play well when you're in there, so you can escape the black hole. It's going to be a little bit not level, not pitched, but I am thrilled that I didn't have an issue yet. Well, yet is the keyword. But yes, this is really good news. Just I hate moving pinball machines. You just never know. But if it survived clunking up my basement steps, this should survive anything. Or the motto should be, can you enter the black hole? It looks really cool, like the ball looks like it's floating on air.
Oh, doesn't it?
Yeah. Especially on this angle. Just because the lighting is, you know, got some weird twilight. Not twilight, but... Oh, here we go, get in there! Alright. Let's see how you do. You gotta earn your way back.
I have no idea where we're going.
Don't lock a ball. It's, the left blue arrows is lock ball. Try not to lock it. Oh, okay. Come on, baby. Behave. Yay! You didn't earn your way, though. Alright, excellent. That is good stuff. Yeah, you need to knock down a bunch of targets. I think it's these white ones. But I think it also could be a combination of the two. I haven't ever quite figured that out. You just gotta bash targets or if you lock a ball down there, then you'll earn your way back out too. So this is goodbye black hole number 1. This is awesome. I'm taking a photo of this.